Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how I installed this car seat in my Mazda MX-5 RF and prove to you that a small two-seater sports car can be used by parents. I've got a 1-year-old child and I will be taking them with me on some short trips, so making sure the car is safe is my main priority. I've also got some winter tyres fitted to the car and I'll be making another video explaining those in more detail. So before we get into the installation, here is the car seat that I've chosen. It's called the Britax Roma Advancifix IVR. It's a forward-facing ISOFIX with a top tether, and it's suitable for slightly larger babies and toddlers from 9 kilograms and above. I've been told that Britax are one of the best car seat manufacturers, so that's why I went ahead with it for the MX-5. It's solid, easy to adjust, and most importantly, it's compatible with the MX-5 ND. A quick disclaimer before we start. This installation is based on research I have done myself and documenting my own experience installing a child seat. I'm not a child seat specialist, so always check your car manual and get yours professionally fitted if you are unsure. The first thing I'm going to do is open the roof just to make the installation a bit easier. Then I'm going to place this child seat cover I got from Amazon, as it will protect the leather seat from any damage or marks. Next, I'm going to slide the passenger seat all the way back and then slide it forward for about 10 clicks so that I have enough space to install the seat and the top tether strap. The car seat comes with these ISOFIX insert guides to help make the installation easier, so I'm going to place these in the seat. Get the child seat, extend the ISOFIX arms and line them up with the anchor points in the MX-5. The ISOFIX insert guides have made this step so much easier. Push the seat back until both sides click in and the indicators show green. Next, attach the top tether to the anchor point behind the passenger seat. Push the actual seat all the way back in its safest position and then pull the anchor tight. This anchor has a green indicator which tells me that it's tightened correctly. Once the seat is installed, I can adjust the headrest and harness if needed. The seat feels secure with very little movement. With just the empty car seat, the passenger airbag light stays off, meaning the car doesn't think anyone is sitting there. Now with my child strapped in, the airbag indicator still shows as off because the car recognises the weight is not of an adult size. So everything seems to be working the way it should. The passenger airbag doesn't turn on whether the car seat is empty or if my child is sitting in it. And that's it. The seat is in, it feels really solid with very little movement and it fits really nicely in the MX-5 seat. I feel a lot better knowing that everything is safe when my child travels with me. I've been using this car seat for about a month now and it's been great. It can be a bit tricky to get the child in and out at first, especially since the car is quite low down with limited space. But after a few attempts, you will eventually figure out a technique and it will become easier over time. So I hope this video was helpful. Once again, please reach out to a car seat specialist for any advice. Please like the video, subscribe if you want to see more MX-5 content, and I'll see you in the next one.